hope it doesn't tip over.
Hey guys, for those of you who don't know us, I'm Riley, this is Elayna, and for 3 years we've been getting interrupted by boats going along behind us.
Yep.
Also, we've been documenting our sailing around the world adventures on YouTube.
That we have. My first video about 3 years ago, and the videos went a little bit bananas, which we were totally unprepared for. Yeah, and all that has led to this very exciting news. Which is, of course, we've jagged a catamaran. I don't know if you heard properly, but we are getting a catamaran. We are getting a catamaran.
Now I'm fine. Now I'm fine. Now I'm fine. Stop the time. I feel fine. I feel fine. I feel fine.
One thing led to another until I saw an ultramar in Los Roques in Venezuela. We ended up making friends with them. We actually spent Christmas with them, and eventually we got the details of the CEO, got in touch with the marketing manager, and it turned out that he was a huge fan of our show. Yeah, so the next thing we knew, we were in France. So we had a tour of the factory, we raced in the regatta, which was really fun, and we attended all the social events. All the while we were having very important sort of business meetings, I guess, with the team at Ultramar. Night ops. Yeah. It's freezing cold. Oh. It's ridiculous. We've just walked home in the most crazy windstorm, rain. We had the meeting today. And then the CEO goes, "Oh, I'll take you to a restaurant," and he knew we were walking home, and he knew it was raining, and he dropped us at like a restaurant that was about 45 kilometres away. Yeah. I think he's trying to test our mettle. Yesterday we went out for lunch with his daughter, and she ordered a plate of mince and a raw egg, and we had to watch her eat it. We think it might have been some sort of business tactic. Yeah. She just sat there and demolished a bowl of mince before my very eyes. Well played, Xavier. Well played. I've been dreaming about this, or was, since I got the initial email for the entire Pacific crossing, and just like to say sorry to Dad because I was chewing his ear off about it every single night for 21 days. We were very excited. So this is the 45 version that we pick up in February in France. This is our new boat! Yeah, neither of us can believe how this has all turned out. We're really over the moon. Yeah. So if you'd like to follow the adventure, click over here to subscribe, and if you want to see where it all began, click over here. That's our first video I ever made. I'm sorry about the editing skills. I promise I've improved since then. A lot better. Yeah, and cheers for watching. Thanks a lot, guys.